Yaka state-level workshop on agroecology, learning circles and natural resource management approaches la Pynlong hinegasngi. Yaka workshop la snok tilang happening ka Meghalaya Basin Management Agency barka North-East Slow Food and Agro Biodiversity Society. Kanes fast haka project jongka klawanra ekapang jongka ALCS. Nagabenta banya syakmat haka ban kentiu ikinong syongshnong haka liang kajingnang jingtip bat ban ai syaki yaka rensan banya samlangi jingtip tenrai. Kapang pedeng jongka ni workshop kalong ban penyat bet yat renti yaka jingnang jingtip habarok kiliang.
While to have a form of physical concept is made to share and learn from each other about new school program, decision making.
Trying to see how basically how the problems these farmers are facing, whether they are able to identify their own problems and then how those problems were being addressed earlier, and then wherever there is a gap, the same is being tried to fix with other innovative ways.
One of the positive response which we have received from this level workshop is the rich knowledge we are still yet to find more. We have a lot of knowledge that we have been able to document, but now there are much more knowledge that needs to be documented. And then the second response that we receive from the community is that the need for more kind of cross learning across different communities.